how to embed PDF in Notion. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to start editing in Notion so you can easily add and organize content in your workspace. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, go to Notion, and log in. For a quick login, click Continue with Google and select your account. Once you're in, open the page you want to work on. To add text, just click on an empty space and start typing. Want to add a PDF? Type /PDF, select PDF, then choose the file from your computer. Notion will embed it right on the page. And that's it. You now know the basics of editing in Notion, from adding text to embedding files, so you can start building your workspace your way. This is all that is. If you like this one, then make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.